Friends, open your Instagram profile and you have to tap on any post and you have to take the screenshot. This is the first step. Friends, open PicsArt app. This is the second step. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background that I already created. Now first we have to go to add photo and select the screenshot which we took before. This is the screenshot. Now tap on crop and you have to crop this name portion. Now tap on tick, stretch it, and you have to arrange perfectly on the top. Now you have to go to blend, tap on screen. First step is complete. Now tap on tick mark. Second, you have to go to add photo and select the model image. This is the model image today I am going to use. Now by using this cutout tool, we are going to erase the background. Tap on outline. As usually, simply draw on it and tap on arrow and tap on save. Click after erasing the background. Now I am going to arrange this model perfectly in this portion. Like you have to arrange it properly. Okay, perfect. Now tap on the eraser, tap on the eraser, keep the settings like this and you have to erase on the bottom portion. Perfect. Tap on tick, tap on this shadow, keep this position and keep this both 100 and 100. That's it. Okay, now tap on tick mark. The next step, I have to go to add photo and select this same screenshot. This is the screenshot. Tap on crop and you have to crop this bottom portion. Simply crop this bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick, stretch it and bring it down. That's it. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to go to add photo and select the light PNGs one by one. This is the light one. Now have to go to blend, have to make it screen. Now go to opacity and keep this opacity to 50. Stretch it, arrange one this side. Little, you have to decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now again go to add photo and select the blue light PNG. This is the blue light. Now I have to go to blend, repeat the same procedure, make it screen. Now go to opacity and make this opacity to 50. Stretch it and arrange on the right side top like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. In the next step, there are two steps remaining. Go to borders and keep this outer to 0, inner to 1. Perfect. Now tap on tick. The final step, go to tools, tap on adjust and do a little touch up. Little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow, decrease little temperature, clarity little more, contrast little more. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, this is the first background and its final output. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial. Now tap on save.